Hello YouTube, my name is Kim. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how to get a film look with a digital camera. To get a film looks comes with a different way. First on set, how you set up your light and how your costume complements its color on set. Second, with or without a film camera, you can get film look as long as you want it by following these few steps. Make sure you prefer to shoot on low profile from your digital camera. Sony, Ready, Panasonic, Blackmagic, etc. They have a different logs name, but all of those logs work as a same. Into DaVinci Resolve, I have a Blackmagic film log, so you can do your Rec 709 just to take it off those log and bring it the way they look on set. But to me, as I often like to do, I go to my first node and then apply film load from DaVinci Resolve, and then I choose my film emulation load that I see it's perfect on my image, and then I increase a bit of a saturations, and then before FPE I make a node for custom curves. Then I go set my hue adjustment. In the film we kinda not having a pure blue, so I just a little bit of a bluish till I started to see cyan a bit. Then I do my better HSV. Then what the hardest things people often complicate it is the Skintone. Comment down below if you want me to drop another tutorial for the Skintone on the next project. So here I'm going to make sure it looks something. Alright, let me show you one of my best tips I like doing often when it comes to my color grade, building the image. I'm going to make a layer node and then chasing a layer mixer. I'm going to choose composition mode, which is soft light. Then wow, looks bold, but I'm going to reduce this node into 0.2% of intensity. It looks very nice. And then last thing, just to make very filmmaking, is going to add a film grains with the sharp ones. You see, now it's looking perfect. Let's see before and after how it look from log to film look color graded process. Thanks very much for watching this video. This is your boy Director Kim. Looks is available. If you want it, comment down there. Just check out on my WhatsApp. My numbers are everywhere there. If you want any help, if you want plugins, if you want loot, if you want color grading services, if you want power graded stills preset from DaVinci or Premiere Pro or any software you want it, please check on me, except I'm going to work with you.